You seem so far away. You seem so far away. You seem so far away. And I know you're on your way. I know you're on your way. I know you're on your way, but you seem so far away.
Yeah. I'm done playing the psychic, no more playing the pilot. No more driving the car through fog without a license, God. I know you never asked me to be your sidekick, but I've been grinding since the Motorola Sidekick. I see a couple of the homies enterprising, and I'll be so proud to see a black man rising, getting all the prizes they dedicated their life to. But I was wondering when I would be invited. 20 years ago I made predictions about the future when I plugged the sound card in my bedroom computer. Thought I'd be a super producer with all the moolah, till I learned the music industry nothing but high schoolers. Grown-ass men taking pennies to the face. The label take it all and ain't nobody getting paid. Couldn't be me, I need the freedom, not the middleman. We finally making G's, but I know God got some bigger plans. Bigger plans. God got some bigger plans. But when?
You seem so far away. You seem so far away. You seem so far away. And I know you're on your way. I know you're on your way. I know you're on your way, but you seem so far away.
You seem so far away. You seem so far away. You seem so far away. You seem so far away. You seem so far away. So far away. So far away. So far away. Away, yeah.
Here's the Union Oil. 100 miles of pipeline and all the independent producers of this great state.